So I have just ridden from Elie Holiday Park and I've come to what's spelled as Kilconquhar Estate, and I understand that it's pronounced Conacher, and when I go through the village you will see that. Hold on, I'm going to change gear. Right, change gear. These are holiday homes, I think. So yeah, I'm going to head down through a lovely avenue and we will see the village of Conacher, and it's stunning. I've never really heard of it. Well, I've seen the signs. I'm going to stop talking now. It's windy. So that was a bit uphill, and now I can catch my breath and we shall see the village. Yeehaw! Not exactly GoPro footage. Oops, here's a sleeping policeman, as they call him, otherwise known as a speed bump. And a few wee potholes. I'm coming to the lodge house and the gates. I don't know if this is the main entrance, but it looks like it. It's the way I came in, and I'm going to go left. Hopefully I can do that without having to change gear. Nothing coming. Oops, bit of a swerve there, and let's go. 20 miles an hour. Just checking nothing behind me. Aha, 14. Oh no. Right, so here is Kilconquhar or Conacher. And there's a pub to look out for on the right and a loch on the left. So we're not too far from St Andrews, but we're much closer to the holiday park in Elie, which is not too far from St Monans and what's the other place? Oh, Anstruther. Some people say Ainster, but we know someone who's lived there all their life and they've never called it Ainster. So here's the pub, the Conacher Inn. I could do with a pint. Shame I'm teetotal. Lovely church. And that was Conacher. And there's a car behind me, so I'm going to stop. And here I am, heading into Elie Holiday Park. And another car behind me. I guess I should be holding the phone in my left hand. Then I could do the gears, couldn't I? Duh.